Dude, if you're waiting to be good at drawing before you start drawing, you're doing it backwards. That blank page, it's not scary. It's just paper. But your brain, it's out here like, what if I suck? Spoiler alert, you will.
Huh?
And that's the point. You open your sketchbook all motivated like, okay, time to be Picasso. But then your hand goes, what is anatomy? What is perspective? What is life? Let me tell you something real. Every artist, even the ones you stalk on Pinterest, started with some super crusty art. Like, my first hand drawing looked like a melted chicken nugget, and I'm proud of it. So here's how to actually start drawing, the Charlotte edition. Number 1. Scribble like your pencil has no chill. Don't overthink, just vibe. Make noodles, chaos, circles. That's your warm-up. It wakes up your hand and calms your inner perfectionist. Two, copy your favorite character. Harry Potter, Elsa, that one depressed meme frog. Go for it. It's not copying, it's studying. Number 3, trace if you wanna. Yep, I said it. Tracing is not illegal. You're not submitting it to an art gallery. Your hand is learning shapes and flow. You're literally building muscle memory. Number 4, draw ugly on purpose. This is my favorite. I call it gremlin growth mode. It's when you intentionally draw goofy, weird, or cursed looking art and somehow it frees you. Try it, it's slap.
What the fuck?
Okay, but I'm not just gonna leave you without some real artist tips, so listen up. Tip number 1. Don't lift your pencil too much when sketching. Keep the flow smooth, like dancing but with graphite. Duh, like I know how to dance. Tip number 2. Start with basic shapes. I don't care if you're drawing a dragon or a donut. Everything begins with a circle, boxes, or even triangles. Tip number 3. Light pressure first. Like, don't attack the paper. You're sketching, not doing Mortal Kombat. Chill. Tip number 4. Don't erase every mistake. Sometimes the weird lines end up making your art feel alive. And draw big. Big strokes equals more confident hands. Small cramped doodles? Yeah, stressful. Let your art breathe. Just look at this. This was one of my masterpieces when I was like 11. I called it Sabertooth because that's his actual name, and it had a raw energy. And this is me now. But I didn't get here by being born with natural skill. Like someone's born that way. I just kept drawing, even when it was questionable. Your style doesn't appear one day. It evolves through messy sketches, crusty doodles, and random drawings at 2 a.m. when you should be doing homework. Here's the real talk. You don't need talent. You don't need expensive markers. You don't even need to know what you're doing. You just need to start. Grab a pencil, start sketching, make it weird, make it random, let it be ugly. That's not failure. That's the first trait of your artistic arc. I said artistic arc. I didn't. Did I say autistic arc? I swear I said artistic art. So subscribe if you're down for more chaos, creativity, and bad doodles that slowly became banger. Your future self is gonna look back and say,
Dang, I really did that.
and I'll be here yelling, yes you did, slay!